Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes Windows 11 time sync interval too long, change it easily. Open Registry with administrative privileges. Change value data to 600, decimal, equal to 17 minutes. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.